Hello my friends. In this video we're diving into the fascinating world of two-point perspective drawing. Now, for those of you who might be new to this concept, let me give you a brief overview. Two-point perspective is a technique used to create the illusion of depth in an image. We use the vanishing points, one for each axis horizontal for the horizon line, and vertical for vertical lines. By placing these 2 points on our canvas, we can create a realistic representation of the world around us. Now let's jump into the fun part. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to drawing a human eye level view in two-point perspective. 1. Start by drawing a straight line horizontally across your canvas. This will represent your horizon line. 2. Mark your vanishing points at each end of the line. One for the horizontal and one for the vertical. 3. Draw in your scene, making sure to keep all horizontal lines parallel to your horizon line and all vertical lines converging towards your vanishing points. 4. And there you have it. You've successfully mastered two-point perspective in an eye-level view. In next steps, you can add shadow, materials, details, and colors. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and inspiring for your artistic journey. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep practicing those vanishing points, and soon you'll be creating stunning artwork using this technique. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, Sketch Zone.